Today, I'm telling you guys how we guys can make a stand and please donate in mobile. So as you guys can see, I'm playing Roblox in mobile. Now over here, in order to create a please donate stand, I need to find a stand that is empty. So I have already found a stand that is empty, which is this. Now, in order to add a please donate button, you need to have something. You need to sell. Because if you don't have anything to sell, then nobody is going to donate to you. Because they need to buy something, so you need to create passes. And I've already made a video on our channel on how to create passes on Roblox using your mobile phone. You can watch that video. To create yourself passes, I've already created 2 passes. As you guys can see, this is one of my stand. And since I had created passes, 2 of my things is over here, available to be sold. What you need to do is after you create passes, you come over here and hold on where it says stand clean. Once you click on stand clean, basically it's going to show you this. All of the things which you have created, which means I created 2 passes. That's why it's only showing 2 of this object over here, which is available to be sold. So people can pay me 50 Robux and buy this, or 20 Robux and buy this, and basically, the Roblox is going to be transferred to my account. So that is how we guys can play. Please donate to Roblox on mobile and make yourself a stand so you guys can earn some Roblox. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.